The Account Settings page contains account details, storage, and compute settings. Start here when reviewing your initial account configuration or when setting up a new QDS account. The account ID is a unique identifier automatically generated for each QDS account. This identifier is important to reference when contacting Qubole about your account. The account name identifies the specific account these settings are for. You can switch accounts using the drop-down at the top of your screen. The Idle Session Timeout field limits how long a session remains open when idle. The default is 24 hours and is configurable up to 1 week. The Idle Cluster Timeout functions the same way, terminating a cluster when not in use. This can save compute costs for your organization. The default is 2 hours and is effective upon completion of all queries. Override this setting at the cluster level to allow for variations in use cases. For example, a workload that is scheduled to run every 3 hours might require a longer timeout period to avoid cluster shutdown. To facilitate rapid resolution of support tickets, select the Allow QDS Access checkbox so Qubole support can log into the account. Enter email addresses for alerts and command timeout settings here. The default cloud storage location for storing logs, results, and caching data is entered here. Click Save to validate the settings and ensure your QDS account is interacting with your cloud services. Once validated, you'll see green check marks next to the storage and compute settings. Let's take a quick minute to review what you've learned before the next section, getting started with clusters.